Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Irene, and in today's video we are going to be doing a small little SLG unboxing from Chanel. I haven't gotten something from here in a long time, so let's get straight into the unboxing. So we're going to get straight into this unboxing. I hopped on here really quickly while I just put baby girl to sleep, so this is going to, I'm trying to get this done before she wakes up at the end of her nap, so we'll see how that goes. I had actually, I'll tell you about this item. Like, you guys will know from the description or title of the video what this is. This is obviously the little mini O case. So I have the bag. Oh, it's so pretty. I forget how pretty the packaging is because, like I said, I haven't done this in a while. Got my receipt, who cares? Let's look into this box. So I had called into the Chanel boutique at my city, in my city, when was it? About 2-3 weeks ago, and they said that they didn't have this in stock in like the black caviar that I had wanted. So they said to call back later in like November, end of November. So the other day, actually yesterday, I was like, you know what, we'll just give them a try. I was waiting for baby to wake up from her nap anyway, so I thought, let's just give them a call and see if there's anything in stock. And luckily they did have some in stock for me to choose from. So here it is inside. It's got that velvet pouch dust bag, and here is the very adorable little mini O case from Chanel. So this is in the black caviar with gold hardware, as you can see here. Maybe you can't see, but it is kind of like a champagne gold, so it's not super dark. It's not a bright gold, but it's very, very nice. So inside it just has just one zipper compartment. Mine's made in Spain. It's got like a dark maroon lining, textile lining, and it's just very simple. My friend actually talked me into this. She wanted to get this herself as well because we both currently use the same wallet. So I'll show you the wallet I'm currently using right now. I've been using this for years since I purchased it. It's this key pouch, key clay, whatever, from Louis Vuitton, and I love this thing. However, recently I've been trying to like keep my receipts. I've also been doing a lot of returns because, I mean, like the Sephora VIB sale, there's like receipts, there's like, I've been buying things for baby and things don't work, or I've been buying things for myself, things don't work, and I need to make returns. So I've been keeping a lot of receipts lately, and like maybe just to even keep for budgeting purposes, just to see how much I'm spending. But this is proving to be kind of a pain in the butt to try to keep all my receipts in there. As you can see, it looks pretty full, jam-packed, and it is. It's full of my cards, and like there's gift cards in here and a few like other like pieces of receipts and papers. So if I ever want to carry cash as well, this does not do it very well. You have to fold up the cash quite a bit, like in like to quarters, which makes it bulk up a lot more too, and I don't really like that, even though I don't carry cash around with me that often. The one thing I did love about it was this key. You can carry your key fob on this thing. But my friend, she was telling me about this bag and like this pouch, and I have seen it around, but I never really thought to use it as like a wallet. It's always occurred to me that it's more like kind of like a what you call it, like a catch-all, but I think this would actually work. So that's my plan, is to switch over my current key clay wallet into this guy here. So I'm going to show you guys actually what's going to fit in here, so what I'm going to throw in here. I'm just going to take everything out of my current wallet. Like, it's a fat stack of cards, and like you can see receipts and stuff. It's hard for me to find things in here just because of how thick it is. So if I throw that all in here, it actually fits really nicely, and then you still have room on the sides for like coins and a little key, whatever. Like if you have like a gym locker key, I don't think I'd bring this to the gym with me, but just something small, or like I said, paper receipts, and that actually works really well. It's super cute. I do know that people said that this does not fit an iPhone in there, so I have an iPhone 11 Pro, I think is what it's called. So it's about the same size as my iPhone Pro. I'm pretty sure it doesn't fit. I have a pretty thick phone case on there as well. So, I mean, let's just, yeah, it's not gonna fit. I knew this was not gonna fit. I didn't expect this to fit in here, but yeah, I'm putting all my cards in here and the receipts that I currently have and like whatever gift cards you might find yourself carrying around with you. And it's just the perfect little pouch. It's not too like bulky. So in comparison, I just brought out with me some other SLGs that I have in my collection just for size comparison wise, because this O case comes in several different sizes. I got the mini. So this is my Chanel card holder, the classic whatever card holder. As you can see, it is bigger, like this much bigger here, slightly taller. Obviously the width, this is much bulkier, the card holder, but I just really like how slim this is. I can easily fit this into a lot of my mini bags. Another comparison, I know a lot of people have done this comparison before, this is nothing new, but compared to the Louis Vuitton pochette, mini pochette, it's actually about the same, but obviously the largest difference would be in the width, meaning that this is more likely to be able to carry more. I don't like to have to stretch this too much in terms of width wise if it's not giving me that room. So we'll have to play around with what fits in here. Also the toiletry 15, about the same size face wise, I guess. But again, depth, huge difference. This is way wider. This is meant to be like very slim and compact, and this is bulkier. Toiletry pouch for your toiletries, right? Another comparison I have for you guys really quickly is my Nano Speedy. So as you guys can see, it's actually about the size in the face wise of the Nano Speedy. It's a little bit shorter in height, but then obviously again, this is definitely a mini bag. I want to see actually and test out if it'll fit some of my favorite lip products as like a catch-all pouch. So I have my, if you guys know this is the Dior Lip Maximizer. It's my absolute favorite. I think this is the old packaging that I have. And then let's put in a few cards in here. Yeah, like it'll fit. That's actually perfect for me. So when I go out, ooh, let me see if it'll fit my keys. It should. Let me just unhook it here, because my goal is to be able to obviously have my keys a lip product, so some sort of lip gloss that I usually carry with me. So my cards, my lip gloss, and my car keys. It's really what I need this to fit. Let's see if it'll do that. I'm not sure right now. It won't fit the Dior Lip Maximizer standing up because it's just, the Lip Maximizer sticks out. I'm gonna have to put the cards in first, so let's just stick in a few cards. So I've got some cards here. Put in my key fob and then my Lip Maximizer. I wonder if I could take off that one tag on this thing. Get Ron to do that. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's perfect. I can fit a few cards in here, my lip gloss, and then my key fob, which is perfect. And then I usually have my phone out anyways. I mean, this wouldn't fit my phone anyway, so this actually serves the purpose very well. In fact, this guy obviously couldn't carry my cards and my lip product, so this has everything inside nice and compact in one little pouch, perfect for grab and go, for me to switch between diaper bags and whatever I'm doing. So this is perfect. I'm very happy with this. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is black caviar that I got it in. And yeah, this is in the light gold or champagne-y gold hardware. And that's everything, I guess. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I want to quickly hop on. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video of unboxing this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!